SPEV code at the Rubber Buggy, and we are going to be reviewing the Mintay collection and its life stories. This collection starts with a bonus sheet of elements which are absolutely going to be fabulous to use on your mini projects. This collection has absolutely stunning and elegant coloring combos that are rich and full of detail. The backside complementary pieces are just as stunning and rich. They offer such a fabulous mix and match combination in the wood tones, the blues, the shaded pinks, soft grays, and even the stunning bold bright black with soft elegant pinks mixed in. Just look at the amazing detail in the prints and the elements in these pages. And oh, I must not forget, there is a fabulous element of gold and creams that has popped into this collection. It is just one more fabulous combination that you're going to be able to work with. Look at this softer, less black with the pink, and here's more of that gold I was talking about that's popping up in each of these fabulous papers. In the extras, we also have some stunning and fabulous journal size tags and spaces that you can write and journal when you are doing your projects. Like I said, the mix and match combos are absolutely amazing, so whether it's cards or layouts, you're absolutely going to love this collection. Be sure to visit the store for this one and the many other products that are available.